Guys, I will show you how to send message on Life360. So open Life360 first. It will open directly here on your location page. If you want to send a message, guys, you just need to go and click here, and it will take you to your contacts page. You have to select the person that you wanna send him message. So for example, I would choose this one, click down, and right now I have to send him message by here. And that's all in this video. Don't forget to like and also subscribe. See you in another video.